Under immense pressure from the international community, Pakistan Anti-Terrorism Court indicted 5 close aides of Hafiz Saeed on terror financing charges this week, including Saeed's brother. The move came after 2 months of FATF's decision to keep Pakistan on its grey list, with the country's status set to be reviewed next at an extraordinary plenary session in June 2021.
A Pakistani anti-terrorism court has sentenced 5 leaders and close aides of Mumbai attack mastermind Hafiz Saeed's Jamaat-ud-Dawa to 9 years of imprisonment each in a terror financing case. The court also ordered a 6-month jail term to Saeed's brother-in-law, Hafiz Abdul Rahman Makki, in the same case. They had been collecting funds and unlawfully financing the proscribed organization Lashkar-e-Taiba. The court has also ordered confiscation of assets made from funds collected through terrorism financing. Pakistan for decades has been sponsoring and aiding terror organizations on its soil, which are responsible for a large number of terrorist attacks in the entire world, especially India. However, with the huge pressure from the international community building up, Pakistan has been compelled to take actions against these terrorists.
This action of the authorities is only because Pakistan has been retained in the FATF grey list, and they are worried that in case they don't show action against all these terrorists, because these are terrorists of the proscribed outfits, and till such time they are not behind bars, Pakistan is not going to be let off the hook of the grey list of FATF.
41 FIRs have been registered against the JUD leaders in terror financing cases, and so far 37 of them have been decided. LET founder Hafiz Saeed, who was arrested in 2019, has been sentenced for a collective imprisonment of 36 years on terror finance charges in 5 cases so far. However, it is widely known that PM Imran Khan's government provides special treatment to the UN-designated terrorist. He has unbridled access to almost everywhere in Pakistan. He carries rallies, holds meetings, and even gets a VIP cover while appearing in a court of law. Moreover, despite being lodged in Lahore jail, he is able to run his so-called charitable trusts and madarsas because of his tall stature in Islamabad. Pakistan has even defended his prosecution in the 2611 case, and his imprisonment is just a euphemism for protection and nurturing his safe havens.
He is the illegitimate child of ISI, and he is the person through whom Pakistan ensures to spread militancy in other parts of the world and, of course, in the Indian state. Not only this, Hafiz Saeed is the person who is openly ranting and raving against India and threatening India that they are going to ensure that India is going to be removed from the face of earth. All this is happening, and Pakistan turns a blind eye to it, because the reason being that they cannot take any action against him, because if Hafiz Saeed is arrested, or if like he is brought to India and put behind bars, he will be giving all the secrets of Pakistan, how Pakistan is training the militants, how these terror camps are running, how the young children are recruited into militancy from poor families and then converted into suicide bombers to spread militancy all over the world.
The drama of convicting these terrorists is barely a subject of surprise, because Pakistan, from a very long time, is known for initiating bogus counter-terrorism operations. No wonder that Punjab State's Counter-Terrorism Department suddenly woke up to the presence of Zakir Rahman Lakhvi, Lashkar-e-Taiba Operations Commander, who was roaming around freely, and ordered his arrest in the beginning of 2021, just a month before the Financial Action Task Force decision on Pakistan's grey list status. However, it failed to convince the FATF, the global money laundering and terrorist financing watchdog. And later, in January 2021, an arrest warrant against the UN-designated global terrorist and Jaish-e-Mohammad's chief, Masood Azhar, was also issued in a terror financing case. But no arrest has been made so far.